Good morning, boys and girls. Today, I want to know what you do in your typical school day. First, look at these clocks and tell me the time and what you do at this time on your typical day. Quindi io vi faccio vedere un orologio che dice una certa ora. Voi mi dovete dire che ora è e cosa fate a quest'ora. For example, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. This is an example. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. What time is it? Put pause and write the time and what you do in your notebooks. Quindi mettete pausa e ciò che fate a quell'ora e scrivetelo nel quaderno. Number 2. What time is it? Number 3. What time is it? Number 4. What time is it? Number 5. What time is it? Number 6. What time is it? Number 7. What time is it? Number 8. What time is it? Number 9. What time is it? And number 10. What time is it? You did it! Great job, everybody! See you later, alligator! Bye-bye, butterflies!